Hello friends, welcome to a new lecture today. In this lecture, you can see that there is a, this is the ureter. I know it's difficult to identify that this is a ureter, but in the exams, if this picture has been given, they will give the kidney attached to this so that we can identify it as ureter. And here you can see small glistening bumps which you can see here. These are called as Ureteritis cystica. This is the cystic masses which are present in the ureter. So this is called as Ureteritis cystica. Okay. So thank you guys for watching my lecture. Thank you.